So what happens now that we have moving on now to a hexagonal close-packed structure? So we start with our FCC structure, and I can make it hexagonal but just by simply shearing these top two planes, moving this site from a C site into an A site, and that makes this one automatically go to a B site. So what we have is the characteristic structure of a 1/1 plane here in the hexagonal close-packed system. And you know it's hexagonal because you can look through the holes. If I can show you that, there. You can see you can look directly through the lattice, and that means those empty spaces there, those holes that you see, are the C sites. So the C sites are empty. Okay, so we have our FCC structure. Now we'll try to do the same thing again. We have our basal plane, which is where the tabletop here, which is our base. And now I'll try and twin the hexagonal close-packed structure in the same way that I did it for the FCC structure. So I can move the first layer one step that way, one Shockley partial in this direction. And now I try and move the second one, and it's not going to go in the same direction. And that's because there's an atom here which is blocking the way. So that when I try and shear in the same direction, there is no easy path. But what I can do is shear the next layer up, that one. So what we have here in trying to twin with a HCP, I can go the first layer, shear, second layer won't go, the next layer will go. And that is actually, now we're back to our FCC structure, which is characterized by this. These are the corners of the cube, and that's the face of the cube. Did I do that right? Yeah, these are the corners of the cube, and that's the center. So what you can have then is, and now this is an FCC structure, we can do the reverse transformation, and now that was a Martin-Sittig transformation. We'll do the reverse transformation and every second plane and get back to our original hexagonal close-packed structure. So what happens here is that the Martin-Sittig transformations are possible both in FCC and HCP. They're basically simply one's the reverse of the other. Twinning on the basal plane is not possible for a hexagonal close-packed material.